Hi, this is Yogit broadcasting live. Look, it started snowing up here. See? Look at that one. It started snowing. Look at the ground. I just waking up and now it's December 5th, 9:31 a.m. Look at that. Started snow. The snow started. Can you see? And they said the snow in USA will be last for 90 days. They said it will start December 2022 or December 12, but now it started early. It's December 5th, and I don't have much firewood to keep warm if in case the electricity will come out. See? This is my home. Look at all the trees. Oh, there is a big, what is that? A nest of honeybee nest. Look, somewhere up there. It will scared me because if electricity is come out, God forbid, I don't know what I'm going to do. But there's a lot of tree up here I can cut to make a firewood. Cut up here. Look at the skies. Look at up here. See? I'm here in Maryland broadcasting. It's early. We received early snow. I hope it will stop. And it started again at December 22. So I can have a lot of wood. If it didn't yesterday, if it's not very cold, I'll get it too, but it's not. I said I waited it today, but look what happened. I got few woods up here, but I don't want to get it. That's my home. And this is my neighborhood. See? There's a cat. Hello, kitty, kitty! Hello! See? It's snow falling from the sky. I was What's the part? Pick up garbage. Look at that. It's snow. said it won't last for 90 days. I don't be worried, but it will last 90 days. That's all.